Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Desk Phone Holder is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories for anyone who relies on their smartphone for work, entertainment, or staying connected throughout the day, offering a stable and convenient way to keep your device visible and accessible without occupying valuable desk space or requiring you to constantly hold it, which can lead to discomfort and reduced productivity. Number 5. LISEN Adjustable Cell Phone Stand. Tired of neck strain from looking down at your phone? This adjustable stand is designed for ergonomic comfort, allowing you to find the perfect height and angle for a healthier posture. Enjoy your favorite content without any distractions. It's perfect for video calls, watching videos, or following recipes, providing an optimal viewing experience while keeping your hands free. Keep your desk tidy and stylish. This stand features smart cable management and a built-in charging hole, ensuring your phone stays secure and your space remains organized. Rest assured, your device is safe. With anti-slip silicone pads on both the back and bottom, it provides maximum protection against scratches and accidental slips. We stand by our product. If you encounter any issues within a year, we offer a hassle-free solution. We're here to help with assembly or any other concerns you may have. Perfect for gamers and streamers, this stand positions your phone at eye level for a better gaming experience. It helps you stay connected and immersed, just like having your teammates right beside you. What we like. Fight neck strain with its ergonomic and adjustable design. It offers a perfect viewing experience while keeping your workspace tidy with smart cable management. If you're looking for a comfortable and organized setup for long video calls or gaming sessions, this is the one for you. What people say. The holder is sturdy and holds my phone securely. It's adjustable and can be tilted to the perfect angle. The design is sleek and doesn't take up much desk space. Number 4. JTEMAN Bluetooth Speaker Phone Stand. Meet your new favorite desk companion. It's a sturdy phone holder and a powerful Bluetooth speaker, all in one. Free your hands while enjoying rich, HD audio for all your entertainment and calls. Experience surprisingly loud and crisp audio with enhanced bass. Whether you're enjoying music or watching videos, the high-quality sound driver ensures an immersive experience without distortion, even at high volumes. Easily find your perfect viewing angle with its adjustable design. Its foldable and pocket-sized form factor saves desk space and makes it perfect for travel or office use. It securely holds most smartphones and 7 to 10-inch tablets thanks to its weighted base and anti-slip pads. This ensures your device stays in place without scratches. Simple to use and incredibly versatile, this makes an ideal gift for anyone. It's a perfect present for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for men and women. Please note that this device is designed to hold your phone and play audio, it cannot charge your cell phone. What we like. Experience immersive HD stereo sound with its built-in Bluetooth speaker. This 2-in-1 device frees your hands while amplifying your audio for music, movies, or calls. If you need a device that doubles as a speaker and a phone stand, especially for those who appreciate good audio or need a volume boost, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This holder is very sturdy and holds my phone securely. The adjustable arm allows for perfect viewing angles. It's compatible with most smartphones and tablets. Number 3. Tryone Gooseneck Phone Holder, Black. Experience ultimate flexibility with our sturdy gooseneck phone holder. Its long, bendable aluminum arm lets you position your device at any angle for comfortable, hands-free viewing. Secure your phone with confidence thanks to the strong clamp base. It features anti-slip silicone grips and can securely attach to desks or bed frames up to 2.56 inches thick. This adjustable holder is designed to fit most phones, including iPhones and Android devices, even with their cases on. It's perfect for any mobile phone. Enjoy versatile, hands-free use for watching videos, recording content, or simply keeping your phone accessible. It's ideal for use on your desk or bed. Setting up and adjusting this holder is a breeze. The flexible arm and adjustable cradle make it easy to find the perfect position for your device, whether you're reading or recording. What we like. Enjoy ultimate flexibility with its sturdy, bendable gooseneck arm and strong clamp base. This holder allows for hands-free viewing and recording at virtually any angle. If you need a versatile stand that can be easily positioned on a desk, bed, or table for recording or extended viewing, its adaptability makes it ideal. What people say. The holder is sturdy and holds my phone securely. It's adjustable and can be positioned at various angles. The design is sleek and doesn't take up much desk space. Number 2. LISEN Adjustable Tablet Stand. Introducing the LISEN Tablet Stand, designed for ultimate portability and durability. It's crafted from high-quality ABS plastic with a stable metal base, ensuring it can withstand daily use. Achieve your ideal viewing position with its adjustable height and angle features. The innovative bridge screw ensures a stable and secure setup, unlike traditional stands that loosen over time. This stand utilizes a gravity-based system for a secure hold, eliminating the need for clips or magnets. Simply tilt it back for maximum stability, perfect for typing and tapping. Its foldable design allows it to collapse into a pocket-sized accessory, making it ideal for remote work, travel, or business trips. It takes up minimal space in your bag. This versatile stand is compatible with a wide range of devices from 4.0 to 15.9 inches, including tablets and e-readers. It's a great addition to your tech essentials. Constructed with a durable ABS plastic body and a reinforced metal panel at the base, it's built for longevity. The anti-slip silicone on the bottom adds extra stability. What we like. This stand is built for life on the go, folding flat for easy portability. Its durable construction and adjustable features ensure stability and the perfect viewing angle wherever you are. If you're a frequent traveler or a remote worker who needs a reliable and compact stand for your tablet or phone, this is an excellent travel companion. What people say. This holder is very stable and doesn't wobble at all, even when I'm typing on my phone. The adjustable arm allows me to position my phone at the perfect viewing angle. It's compatible with most smartphones, including my large iPhone Pro Max. Number 1. Nulaxy Dual Folding Aluminum Phone Stand. Introducing a set of 2 convenient, compact, and durable phone stands. These are perfect for holding your phone anywhere, whether you're at work or at home, making your smart life more enjoyable. These holders are easily adjustable to the perfect position for your viewing needs. They collapse completely for portability, making them an excellent desk companion for watching videos or making calls. Crafted from high-quality premium aluminum, these stands offer a sturdy base that keeps your device firmly in place. You won't have to worry about wobbling. The rubber pads protect your phone from scratches and slippage. Plus, the generous hook width means you don't need to remove your phone case, even if it's a heavy one. These stands are designed to be compatible with virtually all smartphones and e-readers. They securely hold devices ranging from the latest models to older favorites. Whether you're following a recipe, video chatting, or enjoying media, these stands provide a stable and hands-free experience. Get yours today and enhance your daily routine. What we like. Get double the convenience with this 2-pack of sturdy, premium aluminum phone stands. They are fully adjustable, portable, and designed to accommodate phones even with thick cases. If you need stands for multiple locations, want a spare, or share devices with family, this dual set offers great value and stability. What people say. The holder is very sturdy and holds my phone securely. It's adjustable and can be tilted to different angles, which is great for video calls. The design is sleek and modern, it looks good on my desk. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.